Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. You need admin access to your router or the device's network settings, and you should note the current DNS values so you can revert if needed. Next, pick a reliable public DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8, or a DNS over HTTPS/DUT provider for privacy and integrity. Once chosen, open your network settings, locate DNS fields, and input the new addresses. This changes how your device resolves Instagram's domain names. Once you've entered the new primary and secondary DNS addresses on your router or device, save settings and restart the network to apply changes. You should then verify resolution using ENSLOOKUP, DIG, or ping to Instagram. This confirms the DNS server returns valid IPs. If you prefer encrypted queries, enable DNS over HTTPS or DNS over TLS in your OS, router, or browser. This prevents transit tampering. Make sure to test in the Instagram app and in a browser to confirm both resolve. To finish, clear your device and browser DNS cache, then restart the Instagram app so it picks up the new records. If Instagram still fails to load, try an alternate public DNS or enable DNS over HTTPS/DUT. Sometimes ISPs filter at the DNS level, and a different provider can bypass that. If connectivity worsens, revert to the saved original DNS values and reboot. One key troubleshooting tip: if lookups return unexpected IPs, restore previous settings and test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.